happy boy? Happy boy? Huh? Oh my god. What the hell? That was weird.
When you love your dog so much that you take him with you because you don't want to leave him at home because he got all sad and butthurt, and then you are trapped in the car with the dog because you can't take the dog in and you don't want to leave the dog alone, so we're just chilling and I'm bored. I'm getting ready to film. Any guesses, you guys? I'm showing you the full assortment here. Also, I have been reading comments on today's video, the Hollow Body Scrub, which is possibly amazing. You'll have to watch the video to see. Go check it out. It's a good time. A lot of awkward moments and a lot of talk about shiny things. Look how beautiful that is. And if you are a part of the Snap fam, oh, nice that I'm zeroing in on this clip. Let's do this. Go leave some hollow emoji.